Hi everyone, I have bought this car charger, USB car charger for mobile phone to use it in a project which involves the desk lamp that I showed you, the Lee desk lamp with 54 LEDs, to just add a USB charger to it. But unfortunately it's a little bit taller than I have expected, so I thought we are going to do a review of this, and the name is Betron, and it says premium British quality, and then it has a cable. It comes with a cable attached to it and with a USB port, and the maximum that you can draw from this is 2.1 amp. I just hold it here for you to read. Very nice packaging, nothing on the side, the back and the bottom, and I just open it and I show it to you how it goes, and we are going to have a look inside this, and I tell you why I needed this further. As I have mentioned, has a very nice packaging, well packed and good looking, a little bit of carbon fiber effect here. And in order to test this, I have to open it because it's difficult to have a grip on the negative port. And here, for those who are keen to know more about this, you can read it now. So the way that I open it is with a spudger or prying tool. Just I put it in that corner and I just opened it little by little, because I think it's just press fitted there. So very carefully I open this part too, and when I opened this I was really disappointed to see this part. As you see, there was nothing in there. And let me just get this cable through and show you the back. And when I look at the back, look at the quality of this. Obviously it's just a simple buck converter, 12 volt to 5 volt. And it's good quality, and if I want to test it, I have to connect it to the 12 volt. I have a 12 volt 5 amp charger there. So without further ado, we are going to test this. Everything now is connected, and we are going to check the polarity and turn it on, and it's just giving us 5.2425 volts. And I get my Samsung to show you how much it draws. It says it has a capability of 2.1 amp, and my Galaxy has the capability of drawing more than 1 amp. but unfortunately it's just drawing 575, between 550 to 570 milliamp at 5.12 volts, which is adequate, but the amperage, it means it takes ages to charge, but it is not bad. I do not assume if you use both of this you are going to achieve more than 1 amp out of this charger. So that's more or less it. There is nothing more to say, and the temperature is okay. So I tell you now, after, shortly, why I needed this. So I needed this in order to add a USB charging port for my desk lamp, this Lee desk lamp that I showed you the other time. To just show you this, at the back it had just draw the outline of a USB, and I made this USB port slot with a Dremel to just add a USB with a buck converter, because this runs at 12 volts, and I show you the pictures inside of this. I bring it a little bit forward for you to see when I explain. This is the, let me just do it like that, maybe it's much better to see. This is the inside, this is the front, and this is the power supply, 12 volt, that is going in. And as you may see, let me just reduce the brightness, maybe you can see it better. It has the cutout already made for the USB charger. So I just made this. This is the inside. I just cut this part, if you can see it a little bit, which is a little bit difficult. Here I cut it, the USB slot, and I'm planning to draw 2 cables and a switch for the USB, and then make a USB charging port for this. Let me just see. This is the back of the charging port, 12 volt coming in, and I am planning to get a 12 volt from here, and then a switch to just turn the charging port on and off. And that's really it. So I have, because this one is more than 3 centimeters long, I have ordered another buck converter, which is very tiny and is exactly 2.7 centimeters long, and they are saying it has a capability of providing 3 amps. So I'm gonna receive it maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and then I show you when it comes. So this video was about Betron universal car charger with cable and with USB. I recommend this for the price. The price was £2.88 and it goes up to £8. And I bought this from eBay, but in the day after it just came via Amazon. So it was very quick. I recommend this. It's just good to have it around. So I won't take more of your time in this case. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and I wish you a nice and cool day. Bye for now.